ज्योतिरादित्य सिंधिया, हार्दिक पटेल, प्रियंका चतुर्वेदी, सुनील झाखड़, जितिन प्रसाद, RPN, Sushmita Dev, Jaiveer Shergill, and now Milind Deora. All these leaders, once considered close to Rahul Gandhi, have now quit. The latest is South Mumbai MP Milind Deora. He ended his 55-year-long association with the Congress party and joined Eknath Shinde's Shiv Sena. But why did Deora quit Congress? And what damage can his exit cause? Before we dive right into it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Money Control's YouTube channel. First and foremost, let's understand why did he part ways with the grand old party. As the 2024 Lok Sabha polls are near, jumping parties will be a common sight. But what's particularly embarrassing for the Congress is that this resignation happened on the day Rahul Gandhi started his Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra. It is alleged that Deora was unhappy over the Mumbai South seat, which he had previously represented, going to the Uddhav Thackeray-led Shiv Sena in the Maha Vikas Aghadi seat sharing formula. Deora had won Lok Sabha elections from the Mumbai South seat in 2004 and 2009, but had lost two successive Lok Sabha elections in 2014 and 2019 to Shiv Sena's Arvind Sawant. Late Union Minister Murli Deora and Milind Deora's father also held that seat at least 4 times in the past and was seen as a Congress stronghold in Mumbai for several years. He expressed his displeasure, asserting that his family's representation of the seat spans 50 years and is not solely based on any particular wave of support. He also accused Congress for indulging in the politics of what he called pain, personal attacks, injustice and negativity.
Same party that used to offer constructive suggestions to this country on how to take the country forward. आज उस पार्टी का एक ही उद्देश्य है कि मोदी जी जो कहेंगे, जो कहते हैं, जो कर्म करते हैं, ऑटोमेटिकली उसके खिलाफ बोलो. कल को यदि मोदी जी कहेंगे कि कांग्रेस पार्टी एक बहुत अच्छी पार्टी है, तो इसका भी विरोध करेंगे. और मैं एक बात कहना चाहता हूं कि मैं जिस राजनीति में विश्वास करता हूं, मैं पॉलिटिक्स ऑफ गेन, GAIN में विश्वास करता हूं. गेन का मतलब ग्रोथ, एस्पिरेशन, इंक्लूसिविटी एंड नेशनलिज्म. मैं पेन की राजनीति में विश्वास नहीं करता हूं. PAIN, पर्सनल अटैक्स, इनजस्टिस और नेगेटिविटी.
Now the bigger question, how will his exit impact Mumbai unit of Congress? Milind Deora's exit from Congress to the BJP can potentially cause damage to the party in several ways, both immediate and long term. First is internal dissent and more defections. His exit could allegedly trigger further defections from the party, especially among those who were unhappy with the current leadership or direction. His long family legacy and deep network of supporters, including 10 corporators and leaders, could be tempted to follow him to the ruling party, dealing a substantial blow to Congress' hold on the region. Moreover, this could lead to infighting and demoralization within the party ranks, making it difficult to present a united front against the BJP. And not just the Mumbai Congress unit. His switch disrupts a delicate balance within the India alliance too. BJP's gain is NCP and UBT Shiv Sena's loss. Since the India bloc seat sharing talks have crossed the mid-January deadline, it can potentially create friction and suspicion between the alliance partners too. Loss of a prominent Marwadi Gujarati face. Due to his exit, Congress has also lost a prominent representative of the Marwadi and Gujarati community. Irrespective of his on ground visibility, Deora had extended financial support to the party, at least in the South Mumbai region. His connections across businesses and corporates could have ensured sustained funding for the party for Lok Sabha elections. In December 2023, he was even appointed the joint treasurer of All India Congress Committee. Impact on elections. With his exit, the Congress in all probability lost its only available candidate who could have contested the Mumbai South Lok Sabha seat in the 2024 elections. The party has virtually no leader now who can contest the election in his place if it contests this seat after the seat sharing negotiations. It lost the Mumbai South Lok Sabha constituency to Uddhav Thackeray's Shiv Sena in the previous 2 general elections. However, Deora's path is also not clear in the Shinde faction, as BJP continues its claim on the Mumbai South seat with strong contenders like Narvekar and Lodha in the picture. Hope you found this video informative, and for more such content, keep watching Money Control.